we greet you good afternoon. FNU, or Filipino Nurses United, a national nurses labor association registered under the Department of Labor and Employment, thank you for the opportunity to share the plight and fight of our nurses during this COVID-19 crisis. FNU salute our Filipino nurses and other health workers who stand at the forefront serving the people amid the pandemic. Since last year, our nurses have risked their lives, with almost 100 health workers having lost their lives due to inadequate protection. Our nurses remained overwhelmed by the risk of contracting COVID-19, secondary to heavy patient load, longer work hours, low pay, and inadequate, if not absence, of benefits provided by the law, such as in Bayanihan 2 or Republic Act number 11494. Many of our nurses have no security of tenure because they are under contractualization scheme. No? The words overwork, underpaid description of nurses still holds true today. Through the tireless struggle of nurses year after year, we have pledged commitment to raise the pay and ensure benefits, albeit in increments. Still, even these commitments remain to be fulfilled, as the implementation of salary grade 15, being the entry salary of nurses, amounting to 33,575 this year, stipulated in the Philippine Nursing Act of 2002, has not been fully implemented, further complicated by the demotion in rank of senior nurses resulting from the DBM Budget Circular 2020-4. The June 1, 2021 memorandum, signed by the Executive Secretary Salvador Migueltea, still lacks guidelines for the reverting of senior nurses' position which have been demoted in rank to their former job position, and even the implementation of salary grade 16 for nurse 2 positions have not been implemented. FNU wrote the Office of the Executive Secretary about the need for the said guidelines, but after 3 consecutive follow-up since July 16 of this year, no response has been received. Hence, the motion in rank still exists, especially in local government units. According to the Department of Budget and Management, salary grade 15 is not applicable to contractual nurses. Hence, we still have thousands of contractual nurses receiving salary grade 11 or 23,877, despite the fact that they have same workload as the regular nurses. As for the private sector, their salary following the 537 per day minimum wage law is equivalent to 11,814 pesos per month. However, due to valid implementation of minimum wage law in the regions, a nurse in the private sector receives an average of 8,000 to 10,000 monthly salary. How could a starving nurse save her or his family from hunger and support their basic survival needs? Worse still, this pandemic has aggravated the chronic understaffing problem in many health facilities that caused severely exhausted